So hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. If you are new here, allow me to say welcome. Hello. And if you are returning, welcome back, guys. So in today's video, as you can see by the thumbnail, I won 2 giveaways. I did win these a while ago. I was very sick, as y'all know, through Christmas and before Christmas. And oh my gosh, through my birthday, I kind of woke up in the month of February feeling a little bit better anyway. I did not get a chance to properly show you what I won and thank the people I won them from. So if you want to see what's going on, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, so yes, oh my gosh, so I'm very happy because I did win 2 giveaways, you know, through the time I was sick. The first one I want to show you guys is something that, wow, is the first one that I won. And this was during a collab. I do believe that I saw it through Laurie Latimer or Leanna Dalton, somewhere there. They were having a collab, and it was, I think, around Christmas or New Year's. I don't remember. That's kind of like a blur for me because of being sick and all. Anyway, I did watch a bunch of creators. Like, honestly, I didn't even remember entering the giveaway. I'm not kidding. But I did remember seeing this on YouTube. And when I found out I won this, I was like, what? Listen, guys, have you ever seen anything that brings tears to your eyes? It's so pretty. Okay, I mean, that sounds a little corny, but it's so true, okay? For me anyway, this is something like that. Every time I look at it, this is how I get. I get very teared up. So I'm not going to try to do that, but first I will tell you before I get into this, my name is Stephanie. I am the host around here. It is a beauty channel. We do all things beauty, but this is real life beauty over here, where we tackle real life problems when it comes to beauty all the time. Sometimes a look doesn't come out the way I see it in my head, but we roll with it. Other times I have to wipe that look completely off and start over, but we roll with it. I'm not perfect, but I try my best, and that is good enough for me. Like I said, I don't have all the answers, but if you like unboxings or try-ons, shopping hauls, mystery boxes, really anything beauty related, then I say please hit that button down below and become part of the family and come on this journey with me. I'd love to have you. Please remember to rate the video thumbs up. Please remember to keep your bell on because that's very important. I announce giveaways and the giveaway winners through videos, and not just special videos for, you know, specifically saying, hey, here's a 2-minute video, here's a winner. No, I usually just have my winners pop up in random videos. It will be on the thumbnail. So you want to keep the bell on. It's kind of important. Okay, phew, wow. All right, I got the formalities out of the way. I apologize. I want to say hello to all the new people that are here. On this channel, it's just like I say, real life beauty. What you see is what you get. I am who I am. I don't ever apologize for that. And if I can make you smile, I've done what I came to do. Like I said, there was a big collaboration that went on. I think I was pretty much subscribed to everybody except this person. I do remember that I didn't know about her. The name of the person I'm talking about is Sherry Jones. Okay, she has like a DIY channel where she makes the most gorgeous, I mean gorgeous, guys, like wow. Okay, and I'm going to show you one of the things. But I remember her flipping through this and saying, this is what I'm giving away. And it literally brought me to tears. I do remember that. And I think I wrote something like, wow, like that's so pretty. It makes you want to journal. And that's what it is. It is a journal. And I will show you. This is something that, I mean, literally, when you take it apart and look at it, and I will open it very quickly to show you. But here it is here, guys. Everything is 3-dimensional. You have a, I literally keep it in this. It's so pretty. I have not written it yet, but Sherry, I promise. I'm going to reach out to her. If she sees this, I hope she does. I'm going to try and see if she cannot make me 2 more of these. I will purchase them because even though it does have sections in here, and I will show you like this. Gosh, I don't want to rip it. I'm so hard on stuff. It does have little sections. Let me show you. So here's one section, right? So I was thinking, well, here, this could be me. This could be my daughter, the second section. And then this section could be my granddaughter. Like it could be passed down. This is definitely something you could do as a keepsake. It is that well made. And it's just gorgeous. And I was like, no, I want this to be for me. And I want the next one that I get to be for my daughter. And then one for her to give to her daughter, and so on and so forth. So, guys, you got to go check her out. She makes the most prettiest things. I don't know how she does it. Okay, she did send me a card. And now, remember, this was around Christmas time, guys, and I do apologize. Sherry, I am so sorry, honey. I was sick with the you-know-what, and it kept me down till February, and then I had a bunch of things catching up, especially these advent calendars here. And I've been watching her since. It says, peace and love throughout the season and into the new year. Merry Christmas, hugs, Sherry. So, again, she did say that she was excited that I won because by my comment, it was meant to be. I believe she picked out of the bowl or whatever. It says, love and hugs, Sherry. Because, guys, honestly, I was so blown away. So, when you open this up, okay, everything is three-dimensional. And, guys, you tie it shut with these. I mean, I can't. It literally brings me to tears when I look at it. It's just so amazing. This right here is a little clip. So that will let you know where you are in the book. So you don't have to like keep flipping through the pages, which I think is very good. It's kind of like a page saver. So you don't like, you know, remember this is put together. She made every piece of paper. Every piece of paper is parched. I'm going to stick this in here. Every page has a little surprise in it. I mean, look, this is maybe a recipe card. I don't know. But you know me, butterflies, flowers, and butterflies. This has it all. You have a little pouch in there. Each page has something. Another pouch. And then you could write here. Everything is very finely detailed. All the edging on every page is like hand sewn. I don't know how she does that. The time and effort that went into this, Sherry, it's beautiful. It brings me to tears. Literally, every time I look at it, and I'm not exaggerating, guys. Like, I was flipping through it last night, getting it ready to do for the video, and I just couldn't bring myself to write in it yet, but I definitely will. I wanted to show you guys. I mean, come on, it has a little secret envelope. There's little papers inside here. And each paper is like crafted, okay? Like, for instance, look at that. It's made, I mean, it's just gorgeous. I don't have the words. It's that pretty, you know what I mean? And yeah. I can't say thank you enough for this gift. I can't say thank you enough. And it's so pretty. And I am definitely going to reach out, Sherry. I have to get a hold of you because I do want to see if you have any more of these or if you could possibly make them, because I would absolutely love to purchase one and give it to my daughter so that she will have one, and then also keep one to give to my granddaughter as like a keepsake. I do think that this is something that should be passed down. I don't really have anything like that. You know, I never really thought about it that way, but, you know, as far as like passing stuff down, but yeah, I think this would be perfect. Wow. Thank you, Sherry, so very much. It is so gorgeous. I mean, guys, come on. It's got a little locket right here. I mean, it's just so beautifully put together. It's very, very pretty. And I'm going to put it back. And it does bring me to tears every single time I look at it. But, you know, it is a journal and it is meant to write in. I think I said something like, it's so beautiful it makes you want to journal, not have to journal. You know what I mean? And it does. It really does. I was just so, like, trying to keep it, like, perfect, you know? But I will definitely start writing my thoughts down. I do journal, guys. I do journal, and I talk to my counselor once a week. Y'all know that. Because your girl's crazy. No, I'm not. I talk to my counselor because it helps me to vent. And I don't get jammed up. And I can talk to her about anything. And I can scream, and I can holler, and I can vent. And then I'm a better person after that. And I'm all calm. You know. But I have a moderator. And a bunch of you guys that I do that with, too. So, just saying. Anyway, thank you, Sherry. If you don't know her channel, guys, please go check her out. She is amazing. She's here on YouTube, and she does the most beautiful things. I mean, it's not just this. Oh, my gosh. This is the tip of the iceberg. She really is wonderful at what she does. And I do a little bit of crafting myself, and there is no way in God's green earth I could ever come up with anything like this. Anyway, to Sherry Jones, thank you so very much, honey. This is beautiful, and I'm very honored, and I'm very sorry that it took me so long to get this video up. I apologize. It was just I was sick and stuff, so you know what I mean. But I'm better now, and I'm very grateful to have this. And like I said, I'm going to reach out and see if we can't maybe come up with something I would love to see if maybe I could, you know, purchase one from you to pass to my daughter. Okay, so the second giveaway I won is from, of course, another creator here on YouTube who is absolutely gorgeous, oh so funny. She has a very unique sense of humor, at least I think so, and I get it, and I love it, and she makes me laugh, and she's beautiful. Beautiful woman. I mean, I just sit there and stare at her. I don't mean that to sound creepy, I really don't. But I just sit there, and when she does her eye looks and she does it on my camera, I'm like, she's very pretty. Her name is Andi Dove Stuff. We all know, right? And she is just really down to earth, very funny, very real. Haven't you noticed the theme here? I love YouTubers that are real because that's what I am. And, you know, I gravitate towards them. So anyway, I did win her giveaway where she was giving away, hold on, there's a little card, and I have not even opened it, guys, because I promised her that I would, you know, do this video and I would not open it. And I know what it is because she did show it, but I haven't looked at it. I did open the bag and I set it to the side. So here's the card. We have a little sticker. It says, "Shine under the stars." Okay, there you go, right there. All right, and then my name with a little heart. And that's what I do. I sign my name like this. If y'all know, if you ever gotten anything from me, I put a little heart. So let's open it up. I was going to do my wall with cards, but that won't work because the camera will be trying to be focused on the words, and then it will be terrible picture quality. It was a good idea why it lasted, though. I was like, that ain't going to work. I was like, oh, man. Anyway, has little hearts on it, okay? And it says, "Steph, hey, girl, congrats on winning the winter skincare giveaway. I appreciate all your support. Andi Does Stuff." Okay, and I watch her all the time. She's very funny. I just love her. She's so real. And I'm like, oh my God, I'm the same way. Like, I can so relate to her, you know? So, okay, let's see. We do have in here one of these little thingy-majiggies. And I do believe this is a mask. Oh, there's a big old bag. Okay. And how do I get in there? I don't know how to get in there. Hang on, I don't want to rip it. Okay, here, I see. It has a little thing with a little perforated line, Stephanie. What the heck's wrong with you? I'm very tired. This is way late, and I don't even know what time. I don't even think I'm going to have time to sleep before I have to go pick up puppy, and I've been up since 3 a.m., guys. Same outfit. Hey, I sorry. Okay, back to the giveaway and what I won. Okay, this is the Active New Zealand Manuka Honey. I love Manuka. How did she know that? I love Manuka Honey. Anything with Manuka Honey is very good for your skin. Very, very good. If you can get a mask or a cream or even like a put-on mask that you wipe off, very good. All right, this is the Active New Zealand Manuka Honey Soothing Sheet Mask. Ultimate skin nourishment with hydrating hyaluronic acid and rich Manuka oil. Love that. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. My skin definitely needs some like life. And then we have this from Per Cosmetics. This is the Quick Pro Mask. There it does look like that. And Quick Pro Mask Holographic Hydrating Sheet Mask. Instantly hydrate, refresh, and brighten the appearance of your complexion with this innovative skin rejuvenating holographic sheet mask. This two-piece, oh, it's got two pieces. See? There you go. Oh, I like those because I have a weird shaped head. It fits on so much better when they're like this, I swear. Perhaps I'll do this with, or one of these when we do my Win It With Me Wednesdays, okay? That's what we'll do. Oh, I'm dropping everything, guys. Such a mess. So here it is. And this is such a little cute set. I love, okay. I am completely out of the Holy Hydration. And I didn't get to try all of these. I have tried the Holy Hydration Cream. The bottle is around here somewhere. It's empty. I'm like scraping it out with a little spatula. That little spatula thing I got from the Sigma, which I thought was a glitter putter on her, but it wasn't. It's a spatula. So in this little bag, we have the little travel size, which hubby and I are going on vacation again. I'm going to try not to drown this time. He was very scared. I had to like promise him I wouldn't go anywhere near the beach. I'm going to go on the beach, but I can't go near the water. I'll go to the pool up on the boardwalk. But anyway, so it does. It's the Jet Set Hydration Kit. It says cleanse with daily facial cleanser and warm water. This is it right here. This is very good. I have the Bounce Back Jelly Cleanser, and I like that, but that has coconut in it. I have to be very careful. I can't like continuously lose it day after day, or I will break out because why? Your girl is allergic to coconut. But this is the daily cleanser, so I can definitely use this. I wonder if it smells like coconut. Nope, it just smells regular. Thank you, Jesus. Okay, so here we have this. And then in here we have the Daily Hydration Moisturizer. Yes, yes. Okay. They go together. Loving that. Now, okay, here we go. This is e.l.f. Individual. I'm sorry. Really? What? That isn't even on there. How did I come up with that word? What? I was going to say it again. No. e.l.f. Nourishing Night Cream. Okay, I have not tried this. This is one I have not tried. I'm looking forward to doing that. And this one is Illuminating Eye Cream. I have not tried this either. I have the Holy Hydration Eye Cream, but not the Illuminating Eye Cream. Loving it. And this one is Prep and Hydrate Balm. Okay, so that's kind of cool. There was a safety top, it just fell. So you crank this sucker up, and there she is. I want to see. Ooh, look. Okay, so it rubs in. It is just like a balm. There's no really scent to it, so that's good. Okay, this is very cute. I will take this on vacation with me when I go. Because what else do I need? I don't need anything else. Andi, honey, thank you so very much. That was so cute. I knew this is what I was winning. And I'm very happy to have it because I have not tried any of these products. No. But I'm very happy to, and I'm very excited to try them out. Because, first of all, I love e.l.f. e.l.f. is a very good brand. I mean, come on. They're super affordable. I heard they're going up, though. But they're super affordable right now, anyway. Or they're... I mean, even if they do go up, I mean, come on, how much could they go up, really? Oh, I should not say that because then they might go up a lot. But anyway, you know what I'm saying. They're super affordable and they're good. I mean, I'm not having any problems. I have the oil over there that I put on my face before I put my sunscreen on. So it works really good. I love that. So that is the 5 little products that you can take on vacation. And that's really like the name of it. It says the Jet Set Hydration Kit. So if you're ready to jet and set off into a vacation, you're set and ready to go. Thank you, Andi, so very much, hon. I appreciate it, appreciate it. You will see me. I've been watching, and a lot of times I can't comment, guys, but, you know, like I have like 4 different things going. But I do hear it, I do listen, and yeah. So I'm there. I'm always in the background, you know, trying to do multiple things at once. Never works out very well, but anyway, thank you for tuning in and seeing what I won. Guys, I will link both of their channels down below. Please go show them some love. Listen. I'm going to put it to you like this. I gravitate towards people who are real, who are themselves, who are honest, or to the best of my knowledge anyway, who are kind of positive and upbeat and, you know, take me as who I am. And I love that kind of creator and I'm very drawn to them. So, you know that if I'm recommending somebody, it's probably going to be along those lines. And that's such a good thing. We need so many more people like that on YouTube. We really do. All right, then. Thank you very much both to Andi Does Stuff and also to Sherry Jones for having and hosting and just being here on YouTube and making YouTube a better place. So that is what I have for you tonight. Thank you so much for tuning in. And remember, if you are going through something, please do not stuff it. Do not try and, you know, oh, it never happened or I don't want to talk about it. Because sooner or later, it's going to fester up. I mean, if it's enough to bother you initially, odds are it's going to fester up and come out one way or another. So please try and share about it with a stranger, a loved one. Hell, hit me up. I'm always available and I always make time for my family. I just adore you guys so much. Also, if someone does ask you, hey, you got a minute? Please say yes, because you could absolutely help them. All it takes is just listening. And remember, guys, in this crazy mixed up world, and boys, it are so crazy. Oh my gosh. Can we please say a prayer for what's going on, for it to stop in the safest way possible? To all my loved ones across the globe, please stay safe. Until the next one, see ya.